Hi friends, I just received my new Flipfit Tactical Shoulder Bag. As you can see, it's a really nicely sized shoulder bag. It has a lot of room for a lot of things, a lot of bags, a lot of places to put stuff, okay, in front of you. Or if you want to have it like a backpack, also. You can even change this from this side to the other one. So you can have it like this also, okay? It's really well sized. You can bring even a tablet, all your personal belongings, and use it for anything. I mean, if you're going hiking, if you are going to buy shopping, it has an extra shoulder strap if you want to make it like a backpack or bring it with you in other kind of arrangement. Inside, you find more bags to organize your stuff. And in the bag, you have also some other places to store different things, okay? So you could even hang something here from this Velcro strip, okay? You have these ones here. I mean, it's full of small compartments and places to put stuff for any kind of activity, indoor, walking, hiking, going shopping, going to the mall, going to a theme park, whatever, going to the beach, whatever you can imagine that you need a bag for, this one is perfect. So, well, I got it for my personal use, and I think it's really, really recommended if you need this size of bag. Not too big, but big enough for all your personal belongings. So I really recommend it. It's great. Thank you.